It's only been a little over a week since the FDA approved a second booster shot for people 50 and older. Throughout the pandemic, we've seen a mad rush to pharmacies and clinics whenever a new eligibility for the vaccine is announced. But as THV11's Mercedes McKay found out, this time it's a little different.
Many people may have let it fly under the radar because, let's be honest, we all have that pandemic fatigue. Or some people may be thinking, I already have 3, why do I need another? But doctors I spoke to say this shot is just as important as the first.
I think it's just as important. Let's get that high level immunity back up there because we sure don't want to see those folks in the hospital.
You may have heard or you may not have, but if you're 50 and over or immunocompromised and it's been 4 months since your last booster, you can go get another shot. But many are wondering why.
We do know that those that have gotten a single booster are still highly protected against having severe disease, but taking this booster helps, again, reduce that rate even further.
So do you need to rush to get it? Dr. Robert Hopkins with UAMS says if you have health issues, then head to a local pharmacy as soon as you can. But his advice is a little different for those healthy and eligible.
You don't need to rush in and make it an emergency to get it done. You should get it done, but you can take your time a little bit.
That relaxed approach is what Randy Casasilla is seeing at his pharmacy in North Little Rock.
We may have given out a handful of second boosters. That's about it right now.
Compared to the first round of booster shots, he says it's night and day.
We were probably doing hundreds those weeks, probably 30 or 40 in a day, and now we're doing 25 in a week.
It's a little bit of a different story at Frederica Pharmacy and Compounding.
Would you like to do that today?
Owner Lynn Fouché says there's a good turnout, but he believes it's been a tad slower because of the smaller patient group and lower infections.
People are kind of having a wait and see thought, a lot of them.
No matter where your head is at, health officials say get that second boost.
I don't want to let our guard down when we're at a point where life is moving back toward normal.
Mercedes McKay, THV11 News.
Dr. Hopkins says he's not sure when or if they'll expand the eligibility for the second booster to other age groups, but he is hopeful we will be talking about getting kids under 5 that first dose soon.